Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my online class on HSC English second paper. This is AEYSHA MONI, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Comilla Govt Women's College. Today, I am glad to be here to conduct the session. Actually, our Honorable Principal is very cordial to help us in this regard. I am thankful to him. Our today's topic is modifier. In my last class, I have discussed on the definition of modifier, what is pre-modifier, what is post-modifier, and I have discussed on adjective, noun adjective, compound adjective, and participle as pre-modifier. Today, I am going to discuss determiner, which is a pre-modifier. So, let us see what are the determiners. Number 1, articles. Number 2, demonstratives. Number 3, possessives. Number 4, quantifiers. Let us have a look at the examples of articles. We know what are articles and we have practiced articles from our school life. Here, first example is, she is dash, use an article as pre-modifier, beautiful girl. So, in the blank space, you have to use a specific article. Here, we have used a because she is singular and we can count. So, we have used a. Number 2, Saqib saw a cat at dash corner of the room. Use a determiner or use an article. So, the corner of the room is specific. For this reason, the answer will be the. Number 3, this is dash, use an article or determiner, interesting story. And we know I is vowel, so we have used an. And we can count story, 1 story, 2 stories, 3 stories in this way. Number 4, Pohela Boishak is blank, use article. Festival to pre-modify the noun, people of all classes and communities of Bangladesh. In the first gap, Pohela Boishak is dash festival. We can count festival, 1 festival, 2 festivals. So, we can use a. Pohela Boishak is a festival to dash people of all classes and communities of Bangladesh. Here, people are specific. Which people? The people of Bangladesh. So, we have to use the definite article the. Next, blank, use article to pre-modify the noun. Village people of all classes enjoy the program. Again, people. Which people? Village people of all classes. So here, people is specific and we have to use the. So, I think it is clear to you. Now, let us come to our next slide. Demonstrative. What is demonstrative? Demonstrative is a pronoun which sits instead of or in lieu of a single or multiple person or thing to indicate that person or thing in a to indicate that person or thing, and it is demonstrative pronoun. So what is demonstrative pronoun? It is a pronoun which sits instead of a single or multiple person to indicate that person or thing. And there are 4 demonstrative pronouns. Number 1, these. Number 1, that. Number 3, these. Number 4, those. Let us have a look at the example. This. This is used for singular person or thing and for nearest person or things. Example, I have a doll. Dash doll is very beautiful. Notice it. The doll belongs to me, so it is near to me. So I have used this. The answer will be this. T-H-I-S, this. Number 2, that. That is used for singular person or thing and that should be of distant places. What can we see? The example, the birthday of my first baby was a memorable one. Notice it, the sentence is of past tense. The birthday of my first baby was a memorable one. It is not present, it is past. So, for remote thing, remote place, remote time, we should use that. We can't use this. We have to use that. I can't forget that day. Number 3, these. These is used for plural and nearest things. Plural and nearest things for more persons and the persons or things which is near to me. I have bought some mangoes. Dash mangoes are very sour. I have bought some mangoes, so the mangoes are near to me and these mangoes are very sour. Next one, those. Those is used for plural person or thing or plural noun or pronoun. So, we can use those for plural noun or pronoun and for distant, which is not nearest to me, it is far away from me, for distant things or persons. Example, once people believed in superstition. Now, dash days are gone. Those days. Those days. I hope you have understood. So, here is exercise for you. Number 1. We get wood from trees. With blank, use a demonstrative to pre-modify the noun. Bracket complete. Wood, we make our furniture. We get wood. Mark, what is the noun? Wood. And it is singular. And we get wood from trees. So, we have to use here this. T-H-I-S. With this. What will be the answer? This. Number 2. The flood of 1990 was a devastating one. I can't forget the sight of dash flood. Again, demonstrative we have to use. So, the flood belongs to a past time and it is singular. So, the answer will be that. Next, possessives. Possessives express the possession of a thing or wealth or person. Actually, possessives are used to express the possession of anything. What are the possessives? My, our, his, her, their, your, one's. And then noun, apostrophe s. For example, Kamal, apostrophe s, Kamals. Rumi, apostrophe s, Rumis. These are possessives. And we can use boys' school. boys plural boys, then apostrophe, and if the noun becomes plural taking s, we have to put only apostrophe after that s. Boys school. Have a look at the example. Number 1. I invited Mita to my flat for a coffee. She is dash best friend. What will be the answer? My. I invited Mita to my flat for a coffee. She is my best friend. My is here a possessive. Number 2. The Egyptians believed that after dash death, they were destined to go to another world. The Egyptians, what is the subject? Egyptians, it is plural, it indicates a nation, and for this noun, we can use the pronoun they. And what is the possessive form of they? The possessive form of they is their, T-H-E-I-R, their. Number 3, the baby threw dash food on the floor. For baby or anything or child, we can use pronoun it, and the possessive form of it is its, I-T-S. Next one, Akbar was a great emperor. He is famous for dash legendary success. He is famous for my success. No, for his success. What is the possessive form of he? The possessive form of he is his. H-I-S, his. Next one, the workers came out successful, sacrificing dash lives. Sacrificing dash lives. The workers are plural, so the answer will be there, T-H-E-I-R, there. Last one, the rich man thought that the purse had been stolen by someone of dash servants. What is the subject? The rich man. And for this noun, we can use the pronoun he, and the possessive form of he is his. Next, quantifiers. What are the quantifiers? Some, any, every, etc., etc. You can see it very well. And ordinal numbers, cardinal numbers, general ordinals. These all three belong to quantifiers. Here are 3 examples. The wolf lured the crane that it would give dash rewards, many rewards. Number 2, on the other hand, mobile phone has dash. Disadvantages too. You can use many or some. Number 3, the Titanic sailed on her dash voyage across Atlantic. First voyage. You can see first is ordinal number and it belongs to quantifiers. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you very much. Stay at home and stay safe. Thanks.